Hi, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Smart Formations Limited. We give all our customers a free company administration account. This video explains how to use the account to keep your company's records updated at Companies House and to access our other services. To log into your account, go to the top right of our website and use the Account Login link and open the Access panel. Enter your details. Your account will display 5 tabs at the top to help you navigate your way round it. Each tab has a drop-down menu from which you can select a service or information. The Overview tab gives you a list of incomplete orders and a list of companies you have in your account. It also gives you the option to form another company or import an existing company that has been formed elsewhere. Other videos in this series will explain the company import and formation procedures. The next item in the drop-down menu is your details as the account holder. This should be kept up to date. Please note that if you are changing your email address and you subscribe to our registered office service, you should also notify us of the change directly so that we can change your ShareFile login. Your ShareFile account is for post only and not linked to the administration portal. So simply changing it in this account will not alert us to the change for the purpose of dealing with your post. The Orders tab allows you to view the status of all orders, both past and present. The Companies tab allows you to see all your companies, form a new company, or import a company that you have not yet included in your account. By selecting View All Companies, you will be presented with a list of companies that you have in your account. Selecting the View button of a particular company gives you an overview of that company at a particular date. We will be explaining the functions that are available in the Company tab later. The next service in the Company's drop-down menu is the Add Company function. Select this and you will be directed to the Name search box to start the process of forming a new company. This process is the subject of another video in this series. If you have a company that has not been formed through us and you wish to include it in this account, either because you want to change the registered office to our address or simply to administer it through our portal, you can choose the Import function. Look out for the video in this series that will explain the import process in detail. Next is the Services menu. The first function in the Services drop-down menu shows all the services to which you have subscribed. Services are subject to renewal either quarterly or annually. This page displays those services so that you can see when services fall due and for which company. Select Details and you will get more information and the option to cancel or process the renewal. The Expiring function allows you to see which services are expiring and due for renewal before a given date. So, if I select Show Services Expiring Within 1 year, I get this list. I can choose to cancel or leave it in the system to renew automatically by charging a debit or credit card that you have registered in the system. We will show you how to register a payment card on the system shortly. Users of our registered office and confidential business post service can get details of the post that has been sent and invoiced by going to the Processed Mail tab. The Finances tab allows you to review your financial transactions with us. The first tab lists your invoices and allows you to open individual invoices which can then be downloaded for your accounting records. The Payment tab allows you to track your payments and see what invoices they have been set against. The Payment on Account tab allows you to top up your account so that you have enough to deal with future charges. If, for instance, you do not want to have a credit or debit card registered on the system to cover those future charges. The Card Management tab allows you to register a debit or credit card on the system so that you can pay for new services or the renewal of existing services by continuous authority. Simply fill out the information that is requested. Returning to the Companies tab, select View All Companies. Then select a particular company in your account. The account now displays particulars of your company, such as the name, the company registration number, the web authentication code, SIC codes, registered office address. Edit buttons indicate the particulars you can change online at Companies House. The File button indicates that you can file your annual confirmation statement with Companies House directly. Companies House issue a web authentication code when you incorporate a company and will change it for you when required. It is this code which allows changes to be made online to the records at Companies House. If you do change the code, make sure you update your account records. Further down the page, you have information about the accounts and then the appointments. The records that can be changed online are indicated by Edit buttons. Those changes will also be made to the Companies House records if the correct procedures are followed. This facility allows companies to comply with their legal obligations and keep their records at Companies House up to date. To illustrate the process of updating records at Companies House, I will change the date to which this company makes up its accounts. So in this case, the existing accounting reference date is 30th November. I select Edit. I enter the date I want in the Amend box and confirm that I have not made any changes in the last 5 years, which is the default setting. I press Submit and the overview page shows I have placed an order in the cart. When I go to the cart, it displays the order and the nil charge. I agree the terms and then go through checkout in the normal way. It is the checkout process that triggers the update at Companies House, even though for this service there is no charge. We are producing a series of videos that will show you how to make other changes to your company. The Company Overview page also gives you 5 tabs. The Overview tab, which we have just dealt with, the Documents tab, which shows you the documents available to you for this particular company. The Company Register, which all companies must keep and which any member of the public can request to see. The Certificate of Incorporation, providing the company was formed through us. If you did not form the company through us, this will not be available. The Share Certificates, or if the company is limited by guarantee, the Members Certificates. As you use the account to make changes to the company, these records will be updated. You can display the information at various dates by changing the search criteria. The Services tab opens a list of services to which you are subscribing and a list of address and post services to which you can subscribe. These services are available annually or quarterly. To add a subscription, press the Add button. Provide a forwarding address. Add the service to the cart and proceed to checkout. The next company level tab is the Shop. This gives a list of documents and products that can be purchased for your company. The final offer at company level is the Getting Started tab. We have a number of partner services that are available to our clients. So, if you haven't yet opened a bank account or a merchant account, you can make an application to one of the providers available to your company. The partner services that are available depend on your circumstances. So if, for instance, all the directors and PSCs are registered outside Europe, the bank accounts will not be available to you. That completes the tour of our administration account. If you need further clarification, our support team will be happy to help you. Simply contact us using the details given on our contact page of our website.